to our latest video featuring the Lamborghini Huracan STO. This car is the ultimate track-focused version of the already impressive Huracan, and it's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. The Huracan STO, or Super Trofeo Omologata, is inspired by the Lamborghini Super Trofeo racing series, and it shows in every aspect of the car. From the aerodynamic body kit to the lightweight construction, the STO is designed to be the ultimate track weapon. Under the hood, you'll find a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine pumping out 630 horsepower and 448 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 7-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system, ensuring that every inch of that power is put to good use. On the inside, the STO is all business. The interior features lightweight bucket seats and a stripped-down dashboard, giving it a true race car feel. There's even a roll cage for safety when you take your STO to the track. But the STO isn't just about raw performance. It also boasts a host of advanced technologies, including a rear-wheel steering system and active aerodynamics that help keep the car planted to the ground. In short, the Lamborghini Huracan STO is a true masterpiece of engineering and design. If you're a fan of high-performance cars, you won't want to miss this one.